I'm about to make some curry duck. I have a whole duck here that's cleaned and seasoned. It's seasoned with my green seasoning that's on my channel, so you can see how I made that green seasoning. And I just cut up an onion in it with salt, pepper, stuff like that, you know, regular seasoning. I put a hot pepper also. And I'm just going to add some oil now. I use olive oil for everything, so I'm just going to use some olive oil. Enough to fry my curry. Once the oil gets heated up, I'm going to add in the curry. Now I'm going to throw in my curry. I have some duck and goat curry and also some regular curry in here, the cheap one. So I'm just going to throw that in there. Fry up the curry. Curry, let it cook for a while. So I cooked the curry for about 5 to 6 minutes, and now that it looks kind of brown, you see that kind of brownish color, that's when you know that the curry is actually cooked good. So now I'm going to add in the duck. My final. Just adding the duck in. I had also add some curry in to season the duck when I seasoned it, so that little curry will soak in there also. Let that duck fry up a little bit. So yeah, I'm just going to throw in some coconut milk. I have a can of coconut milk. I don't have the fresh coconut milk, so I'm using the can. I'm just going to mix that in there because this is going to go into the duck. So I don't want to waste anything. I fry this up for like 15 minutes approximately. It's sticking to the bottom, so that's when I know that alright, I fried it up enough. So now I'm going to add in that coconut milk mixture and have a little water in it too. Just put that in there and now let it cook down. Now I'm going to cover the pot. And now the duck is going to cook in that, and it's still going to spring some of its own juices and stuff. I could add a little water in here, but I will leave it like this for now and just let that cook down, and I can always add some more water later on. This covered for about 20 minutes and then check it again. Checking at the duck now. Let's see, it's cooking down really good. So at this point you're gonna like taste to adjust your salt and just make sure that everything is good. Because you seasoned it with salt, you still wanna so what I do, I just taste it and see what it needs. But it's not done yet, it still have to bubble down some more, but at this point I like to adjust. the salt. And I want all this liquid to dry out. Well, not all, most of it. I want it to get thicker. And so I'm just going to taste it right now. And adjust the salt to taste. Definitely. So I have some Himalayan pink salt. I'm just going to use that. And just put a little at a time and taste as you go, so you adjust it to the taste you want. Some people have a very high tolerance for salt, some people have a low tolerance like myself. So you have to adjust it to your liking. Anytime I'm cooking curry, it have the ingredient that I always put. I always put a little sugar in my curry. Just sprinkle it at it, coming down to the end. Maybe like a tablespoon of sugar. It just gives it a different taste for me. That's optional, but you should try it. Also add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning to this. Maybe like a teaspoon. And that's once you adjust the taste and you feel like you want a little more salt, instead of putting salt, and it's got a little more all-purpose, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Now that should do it. Yep. My duck is almost done. I mean, at this point it could be done if you want a lot of gravy in it. But you see the richness that coconut milk bring out in that gravy. But I think I'm going to leave it to dry out a little more because I'm making some butter shot to go with this. So I will need gravy, but I'll leave it for a little longer. So the duck is finally done. Now it's time to eat. Now I made some butter shot to go with this duck, so it's so good. This is like my favorite thing to eat with duck, butter shot. And you know, the duck was so tasty. I mean, when you break into it, it's like so tender, and the seasoning and the spices and everything in there came together, I mean, perfectly. It's like a really, really good tasting duck. It was really spicy too because I added like 3 habanero peppers, so it's like a really spicy duck, but it is really, really good. And I hope that you guys try this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one. Bye.